Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM Technica Rota Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the heat element gasket, the one that you see right here. I also cleaned as best as I could inside the boiler since I did find a lot of scale buildup, especially around the heat element. And also around the gauge over here, there was a couple of scale buildup in one of the copper pipes that gets connected to the gauge, and it was blocking it, not letting the pressure show completely, so it was just like around 0.5. We got in there, unclog it, and now as you can see, working perfectly fine. But I did find a lot of scale buildup inside the machine. Tried to remove as much as I could. And as you can see, now it's heating up, perfectly fine. Excellent water flow coming out of the roof head, and as well from the hot water pump. And there you have it. ECM working 1 second. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.